Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find and access your recently viewed items on Facebook Marketplace. Whether you've lost track of a favorite item, accidentally closed a listing, or simply want to revisit previous products you were interested in, this step-by-step guide will help you recover your browsing history quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, it's important to ensure your Facebook application is completely up to date. Open your device's App Store, that's the Google Play Store for Android users, or the App Store for iPhone users. Use the search function to find the Facebook application and check if there's an available update. If an update is waiting, tap the Update button and allow the process to complete before proceeding. Once your app is updated, open the Facebook application from your home screen or app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your account with your email and password. From the main Facebook screen, direct your attention to the bottom menu bar. Locate and tap the Marketplace icon, which resembles a small storefront or shopfront. After entering the Marketplace section, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice a small profile icon that looks like a person's silhouette. Tap on this icon to continue. This will open a new menu with several options specifically related to your Marketplace activity. Among these options, look for and select Recently Viewed to access your browsing history. You'll now see a comprehensive list of all items you've viewed in your current and previous browsing sessions, organized chronologically, with the most recent items appearing first. Take your time to scroll through this list. You can tap on any listing to return to the complete item page, where you can review details, check prices, or contact the seller directly. This feature is particularly valuable when you're comparison shopping between multiple items or need to rediscover something you saw earlier but didn't save. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with 0 fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below. Thank you for watching.